I'm Ravi McArthur, Product Manager for Telestream's File QC products. Our latest product offering in the File QC space is Qualify for Vantage. Qualify for Vantage allows users to build complex, no-code workflows, with customers getting a Vantage domain at no extra cost. The latest version of Qualify for Vantage boasts significant performance improvements, with some tests performing up to 45% faster than previous versions. But the real benefit comes in its seamless hybrid deployment, allowing users to combine the benefit of low-cost perpetual licenses on-prem whilst being able to seamlessly burst to the cloud for sudden spikes in volume. With both cloud and on-premises running the exact same software, results are completely identical across both environments. For exclusively cloud-based customers, the very latest version of Qualify is available in Vantage Gateway, which includes our latest feature, Caption Sync. Caption Sync detects shifts or drifts between captions and audio using our proprietary AI to analyse the timing of dialogue against the timing of associated captions. When paired with time text flip in Vantage, caption shift and drift can not only be detected but repaired, saving a huge amount of manual effort. If you're interested in learning more about this, or the near infinite number of use cases Qualify can help with, come see us at IBC, Hall 7, Booth 21, where we'll be happy to discuss solutions for your QC needs.